In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add stickers in Trello. If you're looking for a quick way to make important cards pop or to add a little personality to your board, stickers are a simple, built-in option that takes just a few seconds to use. Start by opening your Trello board. You can do this in your browser or the Trello app. Either way works the same for this process. Make sure you're on the board where your cards live and that you have permission to make changes. If you're collaborating with a team, you might need edit access to add visual elements. Next, look to the top right corner of your board for the Show menu button. This opens the Board menu, which is where Trello keeps extra tools and settings. If your window is narrower, the button might appear as a small arrow or icon in that same corner. Go ahead and click it to expand the menu. Once the menu slides out, you'll see several options related to your board's organization and appearance. From there, select Stickers. This opens the sticker gallery, which includes a range of static images and animated options you can browse. You don't need to install anything. These are ready to use right away. Take a moment to scroll through and preview the options. Think about how you want to use them. For example, a check mark to signal completion, a flame for high priority, or a fun icon to highlight something noteworthy on a card. When you've found the one you want, click and hold the sticker, then drag and drop it directly onto the card where you want it to appear. Aim for the specific card in your list. Trello will place the sticker on that card's front, so it's visible at a glance. If you change your mind or want to fine-tune placement, simply drag the sticker again to reposition it on the card. On mobile, tap and hold the sticker, then drag it to the card and release. A few practical tips as you place stickers. Keep them meaningful and consistent so your team quickly understands what each icon represents. One or two well-chosen stickers can communicate status faster than text. If you don't immediately see the result, refresh the board and confirm you dropped the sticker on the card face rather than the background. And that's it. Open your Trello board, click Show menu, select Stickers, then drag and drop the one you like onto a card. With just those steps, you can make your workflow clearer, your priorities stand out, and your board a little more fun to use.